going. I'll be there in a sec. I'm just doing a short video. Cell phone tower. People want to know that. They want to know if they're going to get good cell phone coverage in Cuenca. Probably a lot of radiation coming off of this place though. It's been raining like for, what, a week now in Cuenca.
It's not like it's been raining, you know, all day from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. or nothing like that, like it does in some mid-Atlantic areas. When the rains come, they come and they're heavy. They can rain all day. So it hasn't really rained all that much. It's just rained sort of kind of normal because it's been so dry. But even so, you can see how quickly the water puddles up here and things get kind of rambunctious.
Going up over the embankment over there already. And the water's really wild right now.
And the river walk closed because of the flooding, because really you can't really get through here without stepping in big puddles, and who wants to do that?
I haven't seen the water look so rough before. Well, I don't remember it being this rough.
Well, remember there's heavy clouds around the edges of town, and it's possible that it's raining even more
over there
at the mouth of these rivers in the hills or the mountains, and that's why it's so rough, because it really hasn't rained all that much to explain this kind of...
Well, it's rained more than usual. It's rainy season right now, though.
You know, it wouldn't explain this agitation on the river, just a couple hours of raining, you know.
Like that. We just walked by here.
Well, it looks like
this house roof.
They might have started doing work on it and then it collapsed, but I don't know. I'm just guessing.
That's the new ferry Libra they're going to start.
Over here?
Well, sir, now what's the sign for it?
Oh.
So are they going to get rid of the ferry that we have now?
No, they're going to start a new one because there's too many people shopping over there. They're going to start a new one.
Oh, yeah, it gets packed. You can't even walk.
Oh.
bunch of gringos. Some of them are.